we are staying somewhere extremely unique. We are staying in a barrel. Let's go downtown Helen, Georgia to the Germantown. Hey friends, we are on an exciting adventure this weekend in a little Germantown in Georgia, of all places.
That's right. And it's our turn in the barrel.
And we are staying somewhere extremely unique.
Very unique.
Let's show you.
It's dark in the barrel.
We are staying in a barrel, a literal barrel. And this barrel is in Unicoi State Park, which is in Georgia. And it's just a unique place to stay. It does smell a little bit weird. Kevin says it's a cabin smell.
It smells like a cabin.
But let's give a little tour. So here's our little living room. So we got a cute little living room. Have a balcony out here that overlooks the lake. We also have over here is the bathroom and a big shower. We're living in a camper. We don't have a big shower. We got a closet. We've got a kitchen, fridge. So cute in here. And then we have an upstairs because we're going to have 6 people staying here. So let's see what our sleeping arrangements are. So upstairs we have 2 bedrooms. Here's our master suite. This is cushy too. Actually feels pretty comfy. So here is our master suite. And then right across the hallway is where the others, Taylor and Kenzie and their spouses, will sleep in, let me turn on the light, in this bedroom of the barrel. And I'm guessing too downstairs probably has a pull-out couch, but I'm sure they're all just gonna wanna be in a bed. So it's cute.
Somebody got in trouble in the barrel.
Yes, they did.
Somebody got thrown into the wall in the barrel.
It's nice and cool in here too. The air conditioning is kicking, which is nice in Georgia because it gets so hot. But we are going to be spending the whole weekend in this Georgia little town, this little German town in Georgia, in Helen, Georgia. And we're going to do all things Helen this weekend.
So it's a German town, so we're going to get some Braunschweiger. We're going to, Dankeschön it. You know, all my German words, that's all of them. In the barrel. Feeling barrel. In the barrel.
I'm gonna have a little bit of an issue with the smell in here. I can tell.
What's your name?
But maybe after I'm in here for a little while, I won't notice it. Here at Unicoi State Park as well, they have a lot of other amenities. They have a couple of restaurants here. They have a little lake. They have zip lining. You can go kayaking, a lot of walking trails. So we're gonna be enjoying all of that along with the Germantown. So our first stop in the Germantown was Egg Roll Boys, which was gourmet egg rolls. Yeah, not very German, I know, but it was super delicious. So it's this little place that doesn't have a lot of places to sit down, but it has a small area outside the front where you can sit, and the egg rolls are phenomenal. They're really unique and really delicious. We absolutely enjoyed our dinner to the fullest extent there.
So the cool thing about eating at the Egg Roll Boys is right next door, we have the rolled ice cream. So let's go check it out.
It is.
Behind me, you'll see a big pink bus. They're all about the pink here in Helen, Georgia. So then you can go tubing and take the pink tubes and ride the big pink bus. And now we're gonna go to the Pink Pig.
Let's go downtown Helen, Georgia, to the Germantown. We ended our adventure with a gorgeous hike at Anaruby Falls. Nature totally showed off, and we were reminded how lucky we are to just hit pause and be together as a family, with minimal cell service, of course. After some much needed R&R and fun at the Barrel House, we're recharged and ready to get back to the family compound. Time to trade the comfy couch, or I don't know if we can really call it a comfy couch, but time to trade the barrel adventure for work gloves and keep chasing that tiny home dream of ours and the family compound.